Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Marianne Nails very kindly sent me recently 5 stamping plates to swatch and review, and featuring in this video is the third plate, which is plate number 29. So a big thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these plates to review. You can find all the information on where to purchase in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper along with my favourite scraper, and I'll be, as always, using the clear head, and I have 5 coloured nail tips on which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with the red nail tip. I'll be using a soft gold for the stamping, and I'm going to be using the row of hearts on the second line from the bottom. I personally love red and gold together. For me it's a classic colour combo. Love how this looks, it's so pretty. For my second swatch I'm going to be using a pink nail tip along with white stamping polish, and I'm going to be swatching a gorgeous heart image on the third row. With lines, I do like to scrape in the direction of the lines. I just find that this helps pick up a really good solid image. For my third swatch I'll be using a coral nail tip along with a red stamping polish, and I'm going for the words on the fourth row. I love the font of these words, I think it's so pretty. And they have swatched really brilliantly, very clean, very clear, which is great for your manis. For my fourth swatch I'm going to be using a white nail tip along with a purple stamping polish, and I'm going to use the heart and arrows on the fifth row. I personally feel I want to colour these hearts in. I think it would look really great for a mani. For the fifth swatch I'm going to be using a dusky pink nail tip along with black stamping polish, and I'm going for the man and lady under the umbrella. I always think that silhouettes look best in black. For me this is just a personal preference, but I think they look amazing like that though. And then here they are all together. My favourite has to be the red and gold. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created. Marianne Nails stamping plate number 29 is a Love Valentine's inspired plate. Now I know it's out of season for Valentine's, but I always think that it's a good idea to purchase seasonal stamping plates out of season. It just means that I'm not trying to compete with everybody else who's trying to get them. It can be quite a headache, I have to be honest. There is 24 large style designs along with 11 smaller designs down the centre. It would be great for anniversaries, engagements or wedding manis, but also Valentine's as well when it comes back around. I've used the same stamper as I did in the live swatching section, and I used a mix of stamping polishes as well, which include Clear Jelly Stamper, Hit the Bottle, Born Pretty and Nicole Diary. If you've missed the first 2 swatch videos, you can find them in my Marianne Nail playlist along with all the other swatch reviews I have done with Marianne Nail stamping plates. Plate 29 was really easy to work with, so any stamping ability will be able to get on great with plate 29. Most of the designs are heart inspired, but to be honest you can't go wrong with heart images. They are very popular on social media, and I like that I've not seen anything like these designs before. They all seem to be very new and unique. I'll definitely be back to create more manis. There's a few designs that I really want to use. I've also left Marianne Nails' social media links in the description box along with my Instagram page link as well. There is lots of inspiration on their Instagram page, so make sure you check that out. For the mani I've used a light baby pink as my base, and I stamped in red, and I just took some random images from across the plate to create this mani. I do think I maybe should have chosen a different image for my index finger, but I do like that this mani is both soft and bold. I don't actually think that I've ever done a mani like this before. I definitely have to check that one out. So once again, thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these amazing stamping plates to review. I still have 2 left to bring to my channel, so make sure that you're keeping watch for them to arrive. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Marianne Nails stamping plate number 29. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.